Here is another quick tip for those of you who are cutting your stair stringers and a section of the stair stringer breaks off of your $40 or $50 piece of lumber and you're not that hip on getting rid of it. And you don't have to. Simply put some adhesive on both sides that need to connect together, place it back on, then grab some small nails and reattach the broken tip back to the stair stringer. And I've done this hundreds of times with great success. And of course, you're probably not going to have this problem if you're selecting primo lumber, number one, or a select grade of lumber for your stair stringers. However, there are a variety of other circumstances that could lead to this. And if you can save the lumber using this trick, then definitely use it.